Okay guys, this is a 2023 Honda CRV Touring Hybrid Sport. Loaded up. Started up. $13,966 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane assist, all your options. Wireless charging, all your different drive modes. Power mirrors, locks. Lift gate. Backup camera. So this is a theft, so they had to restamp a VIN. Only damage is they changed the VIN up front, so we had to get it looked by the highway patrol and get it passed here. Shades. Power lift gate. Cover here. Again, theft, guys. Rebuilt title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.